Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power on the PC and sign in with your user or Microsoft account so settings sync. Once logged in, open the Start menu and pin core apps you need. This makes navigation immediate. Make sure your network is connected so Windows can activate and fetch updates. Activation avoids feature limits. Finally, set your preferred display scaling and power plan so performance and battery suit your workflow. These prerequisites prevent interruptions as you continue. Once done with basics, open settings to customize the system. Check Windows Update and install drivers to ensure stability, then restart if required. Next, manage privacy and notifications so apps only access what you allow. This reduces distractions and protects data. Install essential apps from Microsoft Store or trusted installers, and use Settings apps to set default programs by file type. Make sure Storage Sense is configured to clear temporary files automatically, so to finish, create a restore point and back up important documents to OneDrive or an external drive so you can recover if needed. Check Task Manager for high-resource apps and end tasks that freeze the system, then run disk cleanup and sfc/scanno to repair corrupted files. Make sure System Restore is enabled so you can roll back. If things go wrong, boot into safe mode or use Windows Recovery to uninstall updates or drivers. This often resolves startup problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.